Good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon. I've just sent out the link now, so we'll wait a bit and then we'll get started. RCA. Good morning, good morning, good morning. RCAC is running. IMD, BNZI. Quite a lot of movers again this morning, which is good. I think this news just came out. I think it's unemployment news. Let me just double check. Yeah, it's US news. US added 216,000 new jobs. Unemployment rate also came in at 3.7, below expectations. Good morning, good morning, good morning. INDP. BNZA, gonna add this to my watch list. This is another one that's moving, I think, INDP. Let's have a look. No, so yeah, there's quite a few movers this morning. Obviously, it's going to be a little bit volatile because this news just came out like 8 minutes ago, so we'll just chill out for a bit. AIMD, these kind of wicks, I'm not really too interested in it. As long as it's still respecting this chart pattern, this is all I care about. Bullish chart pattern, falling wedge, it's done the same thing with this as well. So let's see if it can hold this and push to the upside. DZSI, I have no idea what stick that is. Keep this on the watch list. I would just mark 230 as your resistance level. So 227 is the high, but just adds it to that psychological level. So 230 break, hopefully you can get that. No clear trend. Yeah, it is trying to find an area of support, but that's kind of all I have at the moment. There's nothing really going on here. You need it to push to the upside. You need to break this like 185 level, then start pushing up. The moment it's just consolidating. It's just trading in this range. Hi Hardy, what's up, bro? What's up? What's up? What's up? What up? What up? What up? Let's see what else is moving. IMUX. I took this one earlier on that downtrend break that I mentioned to you guys. I think I got in around. What was not the break? This candle. It was around here. I think 163 was where I got in. Around here, so the downtrend break on this, which I mentioned, that's what you need to do. 163 break here, and then obviously once I did that, we got these crazy wicks, but all the way up to 184, I sold some just at 170 before VWAP, and then I kind of just sold the rest after that. SGD, this is a big watch. I'm pretty sure everyone's watching this right now. Huge resistance, pre-market resistance at 240. You break that, it's going to probably run pretty nuts, right? I'm talking all the way up to at least, I mean, your next resistance level, if it breaks that, you have this 308. So SGD, as long as it respects this, you should be fine. But your demand zone is obviously what I always mention, the last red candle, which is this one here. Simply the last red candle before the push to the upside. So that is your last red candle before the push to the upside. Simply just mark that as demand zone. Then whenever it gets down to that zone, you can wait for it and see if it does respect that. And then you can look for possible entries on that. So if it does break this trend line, it's simple what you expect to happen. It's going to come down to here, hopefully there, retest, and then push and try again. So as long as that's if it breaks this trend line though. This is what you have on SGD. I'll put this on Twitter as well for you guys to see, because I know some of you guys like this. Yeah, this is your SGD demand zone. So I'm going to try and see that's safe for entries if it comes down to this. So looking for pullback to demand zone. So it's just safe entries there because there's less risks, because I just think about it logically, right? If this comes down to here, okay, there's a less risk that it'll keep going down because this is a strong area of demand. But if it is on this level here, it's a little higher risk because of the move is, look, from here to here, to 12% move, right? If it goes 12% down, I don't expect it to go another 12% down. So usually what happens is it'll pull back to this, respect that bit, and then hopefully push to the upside. Should you demand zone 1 minute? It doesn't really matter which time zone. The larger the time frame, the more confirmation. That goes along with the chart patterns, with everything in trading. The more time you have on the larger the time frame, the more confirmation you have. So if you have a confirmation of a demand in 1 minute, there's less confirmation than having it on a daily chart, right? Or 4-hour chart or 2-hour chart. I use 5 minute because it works best for my style, because I'm a day trader. That's the only reason why I use 5 minute. 1 minute isn't enough confirmation for me personally. So that's why I use 5 minute. 10 minutes great, 15, 20, 30, 40. The larger time frame, like I said, the better. But if you're using a larger time frame, say the 1 hour, you'll have to wait a lot larger time for that move to happen, right? So 5 minutes works best because it's not too long of a wait, but it can also respect that and then run within a few minutes, right? So that's kind of why I use the 5 minutes. It's kind of just a good in between. So 1 minute isn't enough confirmation for me personally. I would stick with I personally, if I was you, I would stick with the 5 minutes. So simply the demand zone for the members in the Discord. I'm going to do the seminar next weekend on how to do the demand zone and how you can look for entries on that, because I know a lot of you guys are using it and it's helping you a lot. So I'm going to do it that you guys can just refer back to as well. So how I use the demand zone there. Morning DRM8. DRM8 hasn't really done much, guys. It's literally just consolidating, okay? All I can tell you is that this is your issue, VWAP. It keeps rejecting VWAP. I would not be taking entries now because every time it gets to VWAP, it comes down. Wait for it to break above VWAP. At least, I would say at least 110 break. Wait for it to hold that level, then push up. But trying to enter now is a complete gamble. Keeps rejecting every time. Sup, bro?
What's up? What's up? What's up?
What up? AIMD's going. Moving and grooving. Come on. BNZI, I need to watch that. Is that the one?
Yeah, I'm in this.
240.
I'm in BNGI.
Oh, look, you seen the 4 hour?
Yeah.
Damn.
Wow.
Yo, this is not, I like these. I like
Really?
these kind of charts.
Look at the daily. Because what? Look at the daily.
I'm gonna look at it now. I
It's
got
very nice.
3.25 is a nice level.
I'm in from 2.11. I mentioned in Discord.
Damn.
Told this guy to get in. I told them twice.
1.97 is support. I'm gonna mark that right now. AMD. No worries, Yada line. No worries. It's just the thing is, so VWAP, for those who are new, VWAP just acts, I just simplify and say it acts as a support area, support resistance. If it's below VWAP, it's usually bearish, and every time it hits VWAP from when it's below, it'll reject. If it's above VWAP, it'll come down to VWAP and use it as support and bounce off. That's what usually happens. So you don't really want to take the trade when it's bearish. BNZI, you can take an entry if it breaks this downtrend like that. Ooh, bullish pennant on BNZI. BNZI is looking good. This is your chart for BNZI. Unless you got, I know that's RNCA. I saw that one.
Also check RCAC. I like this a lot. 11.2-ish. Not bad. IMUX is going. AIMD.
Which one's going? You said something X. So IMUX?
Yeah.
I sold it just before I got on here.
GI.
ROI still in play, guys. It just needs volume. It's Reminds me of that play that everyone's talking about, TTOO.
Tattoo.
IMUX, DZSI. Check that DZSI as well.
Which one?
DZSI.
DZSI. Okay, not bad. Like SMFL yesterday.
Yeah. You were going on about that one, and then like early on, and then it ran, and then after, it took me ages. How long did it take me to get my first target?
I actually thought it was never going to hit first second, to be honest
I
with you.
know, I was waiting. I was like, I'm just gonna wait. After alt, I was like, no, I have to trust it now.
Alt one was an absolute disaster.
Can't believe it. Yesterday, guys, I alerted alt at $10, and I sold in my entry, and it
That's
ran
actually
to
full.
11 something. AIMD move, thank you. How about EMA? The stock EMA? AIMD is going right now. As I just mentioned at the start of the stream, I expect it to break out. So, pretty standard, easy setup on that.
AIMD. I'm in some AMD by the way, guys. I added earlier on ages. I might add some more.
EMA? How about EMA? Oh, you're asking what about the EMA? I mean, EMA's, guys, the EMA is like you go on YouTube and literally type in EMA strategies. People will tell you the 20 EMA is the best, 30, 10, 9, 5, 200. There's loads of different EMAs. It just depends on what people are using it for each strategy. Like for me, I use like a 9 EMA or maybe a 50 EMA, right? It doesn't mean the 9 EMA is best for you, but it depends what you need to add it as a confluence to your strategy. So just because you see someone using 9 EMA, it doesn't mean that it'll work for you. So people don't explain that they just basically say, oh, 9 EMA is the best one, It really just depends. SINT potential had a good PR yesterday. SINT. This one ran, I think, Hassi, you mentioned this one, didn't you? SINT.
Yeah, SINT.
0.65 is the only level that I would be interested in personally. Actually, I can move it down to this. 0.55. I don't trade sub $1 plays, but 0.55 is your resistance. Look here. Rejection. So what you want is very simple. You want it to break above this, retest, and then push. On that. Acon. I think I get asked this question every day about Acon. I would not touch Acon. I do not like this play. The reason why I don't like it is because it had a
I don't want to touch Acon. You need that upper.
It had that reverse split. There's nothing good about this chart for me personally. Like talking technically, I don't know anything about the company or what's going on, but talking about price action here, I can't really tell you much, to be honest. Mark the high 540 if it breaks that. Maybe look for entries. But yeah, it's not my kind of setup, to be honest. I would avoid it. I hope you're not in though from the reverse split. IMUX still looks good.
Yeah, IMUX looks nice.
Expecting 185, then you have 208. Is anything else moving? 21. BNZI. SGD falling wedge. I'm going to wait for it to come to demand zone. If it comes to that, then I'll go. What do you think of SGD's falling wedge?
Check it out.
I have it here on my chart.
Looks quite good. Oh, that's nice.
It's a weird falling wedge. It's not like a clear one.
It's moving ascending triangle, so I'd wait for that 2.4.
What is this? SGD, guys. Just watch this one. I like this setup actually. Just watch this setup. SINT potential. Guys, like up the stream if you haven't. the stream. And also subscribe as well. IMUX, I'm expecting this to continue to go up. It's pretty bullish. I mean, it's just strong trend, uptrend. 185, then 208 is your next level, or $2, however you want to say it. Long bottom wicks into demand zone, bullish, yes. Is anyone in this IMUX? IMUX looks nice. DZSI. I'm not really interested in this. I'm going to delete it. I don't care about that one. It's not really my setup. It's too slow. DZSI.
I mean, I got some more BNZ by the way. I just
BNZ, yeah,
entered
it
some
looks
more.
good. Literally
Yeah,
197 bounce off. 1 rejection, 2, 3. I think Bell got in as well. I hope so.
Well, like 8% stop on this bomb, so it's higher risk.
But does anyone use TradingView here? In the YouTube, let me know. And if you do you have these wicks on AIMD or is it just Weeble? Bro, SGD looks nice.
IONM has a random volume.
Which one?
IONM.
Oh. Are you in that RCAC or not?
RCAC, no, yeah, I'm waiting.
Oh, I see IONM top gainers.
I'm waiting above like 11.2 close. It's doing wicks right now.
I got 0.3355 on this IONM. I haven't touched this chart, but someone asked me to do it. It was a while ago. It's such an ugly chart though, IONM.
Yeah, it's very ugly.
No, mate, mentioned this last time, why I switched over so much cleaner. Strange. I mean, yeah, I just use Weeble because I've used it for a while, like a long time, so I just kind of stuck with it. I've never really had, I mean, in terms of the trading, like execution, that I've never had an issue, but it's okay. It doesn't really affect it. It doesn't happen intraday, so it's okay. I know the ATM candle wicks do happen though. That is normal for the brokers. No wicks in TradingView. Yeah. I don't know if it's. I don't know what the reasoning is, but I think most of it is because people can trade that time. Most brokers are active then. They get like an hour to trade for pre-market and after hours, I think. SGD looks good, guys. It is a little bit of a forced falling wedge, but it is still a falling wedge. It's found the support here. Green candle, hopefully it pushes up. DUOT, not really interested in that. ZCAR, delete that. PNST.
BNZI is the best one, telling you.
Which one?
BNZI.
Bro, this drama has to go. I'm convinced this thing goes. SGD, BNZ. You said BNZI, yeah? It's gone right now. Lovely. There we go.
Let's go.
Yeah, BNZI was perfect. So if anyone did grab BNZI, I even put it on Twitter for you guys. And Hassi mentioned he got in as well. I didn't get in personally, but there's your chart. Next level is 240 on this thing.
Yep, 240.
Why switch no wicks? SGD 213 entry. SGD. There goes BNZI, by the way. Lovely. Well done. Good trade.
Let's go.
Yeah, good luck with this SGDD. We should see what happens. Drama, too much drama. Oh, you're telling me. So pay trade zero seems to match TradingView. So happy with that setup. Yeah, I mean, the wicks I'm not really too worried about because I know on the actual broker when you trade, it doesn't fill like that. You don't get filled. From my experience anyway. It's happened maybe once or twice. The 8 a.m. candles are normal for every, like, on every broker, in my opinion. What I've noticed. But those weird wicks that you see, it doesn't happen intraday, so that's all I care about. Where's VWAP? Is this thing above VWAP? This thing's basically on VWAP right now. You need this to a green candle close above this VWAP here on SGD, and then you have 240 resistance. So which one was the other? Oh, this one was 240. Oh, damn. 240, both of them. There goes BNZI.
Let's go, new idea. Great job, guys.
Holy shit, true. I try again this job with another. No, I know, me too. I got filled a couple times on Webull, trading pre-market with the 8 a.m. candle. It filled me like once or twice. Let's see what this thing does. You think it's going to break this level? Still hasn't broken it.
You just need to close above, then it's continuation. Let's see.
You need to close above 240.
Yeesh.
Yeah, I get you. Appreciate it, lies, mate. Yeah, no worries, bro. No worries. Try and just give you guys some information. Here's SGD, by the way. You got this close above VWAP. 2 minutes. Here we go. So if you got in at 213, how I trade, I sell at least 50% of my position when I'm up 3 to 5%. So you can do the same if you'd like. I don't know how much you hold for, what percentages, but yeah. I just work in percentages. It's easier on my mind. Even with my account, I don't try and make like $5,000-$6,000 a day. I just work on like percentages. Let's go Warp. What on Warp? Warp's been trading so well recently. Test. Wait, is this an actual stock test or you guys just writing test? I'm confused. Like up the stream, guys, if you haven't.
2.5 BNZI.
Like it up. We have 31 people and we only have 14 likes. That's half of you only.
And hit the subscribe button.
Test. I don't get... Soup, what do you mean with test? I can't find the ticker if that's what you're referring to. MINM. Oh, just testing. Oh, right. MINM. I'm going to keep this on watch. It ran 111% yesterday. I'm expecting this to move a bit today as well. Guys, we are opening up. We're going to be using Stripe today. So I'm going to put out a link. I might even do it just before open, actually. In 5 minutes, I'll open it up. So you guys can join on Stripe. To change my settings. Oh, you're fine. So we currently use Upgrade Chat, and which is linked to the PayPal, but a lot of people are having issues with PayPal, or just don't like it. So we're switching over to Stripe. So I'm using WAP. We're going to be using WAP as well. So if you know what that is, it's similar to Patreon. So yeah, I'll send out the link for that for you guys to use it. It'll be like a referral thing, and you can just use it to sign up to the Discord. Fees are exactly the same. They will change on Monday. So we're going to be moving from $60 to I think $70. Current members, you guys are fine. You will be
$3,000.
60. Current members are going up, doubling. What else is moving? Anything else? BNZ has the only move, right? Where's BNZI?
AIMD looks like they're doing something, but it looks like more to the downside right now.
Oh yeah, I know. That's what I'm literally watching.
In demand zone. Pretty sure it is.
2.54 hits. Damn. Good morning, bro. Good morning, AJ. Good morning. I'm gonna go over my watch list quickly, guys, and then I'm gonna set up this Stripe because a couple of people have just messaged me now. They want to join on Stripe, so I'm gonna sort that out. So yeah, I'm just gonna go to my watch list. Hassi will as well, and then we're gonna head into Discord. We're gonna do some live trading as well. Is auto payment? Can you cancel it? It's auto payment, but if you cancel, Upgrade Chat like kicks you out. But you just have to message us, and we will give you like the time that you pay for the month. But
yes,
yeah, that's kind of how it works. Okay, so obviously BNZI is definitely on watch. Why? Because it broke out of this bullish pennant. It's running 42%. It's literally the top mover at the moment. SGD simple. It's literally just moving. Let you guys know here around this 211 level that you can get in. It's looking good. It's above VWAP. It
Guys,
should push up.
if you haven't done it already though, follow the Instagram. I've dropped my Insta there.
Oh yeah, put it in. Did you put in the link?
Post review every day.
Put the link in.
Did I put the link?
Where is it? Put the link in the
No, I
chat.
swear I did.
I need to edit the comment section.
Yeah, put it in for me. I've sent you it.
Here we go. Yeah, guys, follow this. This is our thing. But Hassi runs the Instagram. We have a tagline trading, but Hassi's been doing his live reviews and that. So watch that as well. It's just some clips.
And then just by looking on the following list, you see I follow Tagline Trading. So follow that as well.
Yeah, you can follow that as well.
We need to do something with that channel. We need to probably something unique.
Yeah, we will. Add some like flashcards and all that as well. IMUX is still moving up, guys. So this still looks good. So IMUX looks good as well. AIMD, I like this setup still. It's in a valid falling wedge pattern. Do we expect this to break out? If not, it's going to come down to this demand zone, which is here. Well, this is the new demand zone right here, actually. So that's your demand zone. DRMA, I don't know what's going to happen with this. I'm only interested if it breaks VWAP. If it breaks that, then you can send an alarm to look for entries on that. Otherwise, I wouldn't be trying to get in now. DUOT, not interested. I'm going to delete it. Alt, I just have it here on a watch list from yesterday. And that's kind of it. I'm not really focused on anything else too much. I'm only going to be trading for like an hour today. Well, Hassi doesn't trade on Fridays, but yeah, I will be trading for like an hour or so. Yeah, thanks for BMRA, Lando. I've just added it now to my watch list. So this one's simple. Just look for 233 break and hopefully it can continue. But at the moment, it's way too volatile. I wouldn't be jumping in. Just wait out a bit. BNZI looks good as well. All right, guys. I'm going to head into Discord. I'm going to send out the link for this Stripe. It's going to be through WAP. So if you guys want to join through there, feel free. Like I said, on Sunday will be the last time you guys can sign up for the Discord. It will be limited to 10 spots each month, and it will be going up in price to $70 instead of $60 a month. Current members, you guys are fine. Nothing will change on your end. It's just for new members who are going to be joining. So new members, when you join, it will be $60 until Sunday. Starting Monday, there will be limited 10 spots each month. And yes, it is auto payment. If you cancel, Discord kicks you out, but you have to message us to let us know so we can let you in for the time you paid for. All right. So I hope you guys have a great weekend. Trade well today if you do. I don't suggest trading all day because the market will probably slow down. Take advantage of the volume for the first hour or so, and then that'll be pretty much it. Also, follow Hassi's Instagram. He does all the trade reviews that we give, literally all the trades that we do in the Discord. If you guys want to learn how we trade and where we find the top runners, Hassi does the trade review on his top runner every single day. So watch it. It's very insightful. I highly recommend to do it. It's free education, literally right there for you guys. So
yeah, sure.
Have a good day, guys. I will see you all tomorrow, Monday.